these two methods of making money online works literally for everyone on planet Earth today. Why did I say that? Because I've been able to use these methods myself and I've gotten a good result from it. So these two methods, one requires a skill and the second one, it doesn't require any level of skill at all. That means anybody at all on planet Earth today can use this method. You don't need any qualification whatsoever to do this, right? So I'm going to give these two methods to you right away, but in the video I'll be explaining more about how I was able to implement them in my personal life and how I was able to get results out of them. So to understand all this, you need to follow me as I take you through all this process so that at the end of this video you can go ahead and implement the same thing and start making money out of it. So let's jump into it quickly. The first method is you becoming a video editor, and the second method is you becoming someone who does drop service. So in short, drop servicing, that's the second method that you can use to make money online today. Now wait, let me explain more about all this stuff so that you get to understand detail. Now the first one, which is video editing. Now video editing is very easy to learn in this day and age. Why? Because there are so many easy to use video editing software out there right now. A typical example is CapCut. Now CapCut is a video editing software which is very easy to use right now. There are lots of tutorials on YouTube that can help you, and there are short form content on TikTok as that can also help you to navigate your way through learning of CapCut. Now, here is the thing. If you are trying to learn CapCut, do not focus so much on the fancy aspect of it by using so many filters, so many stickers. No, do not focus on that aspect. And also do not focus on aspect of using so many CapCut templates on TikTok and stuff like that. Try to learn the technical aspect of CapCut video editing software. Now, if you want to learn about using CapCut on your PC to edit videos, then I recommend this channel on the screen to you. This guy is very good when it comes to using CapCut to do awesome stuff. Check him out. You'll probably find his content helpful when you want to learn video editing with CapCut. Now, how can you make money with this skill? There are tons of people online right now producing content day in day out, and this content that they are producing, someone has to sit down and edit this content. Now these individuals producing the content, they hire video editors to work on their projects. Recently, I saw someone posting, and a friend of mine also posting, that they are in need of video editors to work with full time. Now, this is what you can do to get this job. You have to learn the software, learn how to do video editing, which I said CapCut is an easy way for you to learn video editing, and tutorials are available right here on YouTube. So once you learn this, try to work for friends. Absolutely, you can work the few works that you're going to do them for free and make it as your portfolio, right? And if you are not going to work for friends, you can equally get a sample of videos online and try to edit these videos. An example, your favorite YouTuber posted a video on YouTube. You can take that video, edit it, make it a short form content, send it to the person, your favorite YouTuber, right? Send this video to the person and let the person have a look at it. If the person is so much interested into this, the person will probably give you a feedback on it. Once you've gotten a feedback on that video, add that video to your portfolio. Let it be part of your portfolio so that when you are pitching your business to someone in the future, you can use this as your social proof that you are a good video editor and you have sample of your works. Now, there's one thing you don't know actually. A lot of people hire people not because they don't know how to edit. They do so because the time that they could use for the editing, they want to dedicate that time for something else. So do not have the idea that now CapCut is free. A lot of video editing software are out there that people can use to do their own stuff. No, do not come up with that idea. If you come up with that idea, you are automatically shutting your brain down to pursue what is great ahead of you. So instead of that mentality, I want you to say it like this. People are hiring video editors not because they cannot do the video editing themselves, just because they want to dedicate the time that they will be using for the video editing. They want to dedicate that time to something else. So take hold of this opportunity and start utilizing it very well. Now to the second part of this video, which talks about drop servicing. Now listen guys, you have to pay close attention right here because this is the gold mine, and if you don't have any skill at all, you are not interested in learning video editing or anything at all, listen, this is what you have to do right now. And at the end of this video, I want to get a feedback from you that you start implementing this and it is working for you. That's what I want to know in the comment section. I want to get your feedback, right? Because this thing works for me and it's gonna work for you. Now let me put it simple. In my case, I use this in terms of video editing and I use this in terms of video editing and graphic designing. This is it. Drop servicing simply means like you are the media person. There's someone over here and there's someone over here, and this person over here is a client, and a client wants to connect to this person right here. So you are the media person in this case. Now what you have to do is the client contacts you and wants a service. Let's say video editing. The client wants someone to edit video for him or her. Then you acted as if you are the one going to do the video editing. Then you take the job from this client. After taking the job from this client, you someone who has no skill, right? But acting as a middleman, like you have a skill in video editing. Then you approach the video editor who you know very well. You give the work to the video editor. Let the video editor work on a video, give it back to you. You send it back to the person. Now when you get the money, give the video editor his or her portion and also take your portion. It is as simple as that. So you literally see that you've not done anything, but you gain something. That is simple. That simply is the drop servicing I'm talking about. Myself, I did this in video editing and graphic design, like I said earlier. Most of the time when I'm busy and I know I cannot deliver within the stipulated time, I pick up a project from clients. I give the project to other people close to me who I know are into graphic designing. I give the work to them. They work on a project. Then I send a project back to the client. I get the money based on my discussion or the discussion that I have with the graphic designer. Then we go ahead and split the money and I take my share. It is as simple as that. So if there's something you want to do today, probably it should be drop servicing. Drop servicing is very good, very lucrative. It's like you are just a middleman doing nothing but getting something. So I want to know, which of these are you going to start implementing right now? Is it going to be the video editing, or you're going to start with the drop servicing? Let me know in the comment section the one that you are going to do. Now if you are new to the channel, you're welcome, and this is SERENE channel, and on this channel I basically talk about things that can help you stay productive and also make money online. So if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, become part of this family. And if you're old here, thank you so much for coming back, and I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget, a new day is a new win for you. Bless up.